Citizen science is a term that evokes images such as counting birds, measuring water temperatures, or collecting specimens in nature. But what do citizen science projects look like in the social sciences and humanities disciplines? Do they use crowdsourcing methods, or do they fit the participatory research model better? Or perhaps there's something in between. The COESO project is exploring this question and more. COESO is investigating how researchers and citizens collaborate and how projects get funded, with the aim to expand citizen science in the social sciences and humanities. Together with our pilot project partners, we're co-creating a virtual platform where researchers and citizens can synergize. In a 3-year timeframe, COESO will work together with 10 citizen science pilot projects that represent a variety of disciplines from the social sciences and humanities. The first 5 pilot projects are already underway. In pilot number 1, social anthropologists and historians are partnering with a local NGO that promotes sustainable development to create the Lisbon Tourism Observatory. Together, they're investigating the effects that mass tourism has on the local community in Lisbon. Their goal is to develop strategies that promote dialogue and reduce tension among the local citizens, authorities, and policymakers. Pilot number 2 involves 2 distinct collaborations, a philosopher and a dancer-choreographer on one side, and a performance studies researcher and a choreographer and dance notator on the other. They're facilitating dance workshops in France and Italy for the community, and they use a technological tool called Memo Recall to document and explore the connection of dance movements with the philosophical notions of self and desire. Pilot number 3 brings together political scientists and journalists from an online magazine. Together, they're developing and applying solutions journalism strategies to report on the practice in Italy of confiscating property from organized crime activity and redistributing it to the public. They'll then examine the resulting economic impacts and highlight the role that journalists play in resolving complex societal issues. Pilot number 4 brings together criminology researchers and journalists in Italy. Investigative journalists will be given specific tools to analyze the financial data of large firms in order to detect possible corruption practices. The research focuses on the impact of investigative journalism as well as the development of practices for sharing sensitive data. And finally, in pilot number 5, historians engage with lay citizens as well as practitioners involved with contemporary migration issues. The lay citizens are transcribing letters sent from German-speaking lands to families and friends who migrated to North America, while the migration practitioners are engaged in networking and joint blogging activities. The project develops a methodology for multi-stakeholder collaboration and engagement. We invite you to visit our website to learn more, coeso.hypotheses.org, and follow us on Twitter @COESOEU.